We have new developments tonight. Records obtained by the KSL investigator showed Jodi Hildebrandt's niece reported the licensed mental health counselor to police for mistreatment while in her care.
Hildebrandt and former 8-passenger YouTuber Ruby Franke are in custody tonight, facing several charges of aggravated child abuse. KSL investigator Daniela Rivera joins us right now with what these latest documents reveal. Danny?
Well, Mike and Deanie, these are American Fork police records from 2010. We now know more than 13 years ago, Hildebrandt's niece reported questionable counseling methods to police, and Hildebrandt continued to practice for years.
I just had a 12-year-old boy show up here at my front door asking for help.
Long before police say a child escaped from Jodi Hildebrandt's Ivins home on August 30th, the licensed mental health counselor's niece was in Hildebrandt's care. In March 2010, the juvenile left Hildebrandt's home in American Fork and asked police for information about a safe house. According to this police report from that incident, the teen told police Hildebrandt was mean, very strict, had called them a liar and told them they were going to be a cheap hooker one day, had forced them to sleep in a sleeping bag outside of the home, only allowed them to shower for 7 minutes at a time, and at one point placed duct tape over their mouth. Hildebrandt's niece also told police they had been wearing the same clothes for weeks and were not enrolled in school, calling this Jodi's methods of counseling. The teen's father told police this was a ploy to get out of going to a wilderness program. The responding officer wrote at the end of the report, "I am requesting a copy of this report be forwarded to DCFS." 2 weeks later, Hildebrandt reported to police her niece had run away. She said she believed this was to avoid being placed in a girl's home. According to the report, police learned the teen had previously sent a message to a friend that said, "Dude, save me, I'm trapped." Weeks later, police found the teen staying at a local shelter. The teen told police they ran away from Hildebrandt because she made them confess sins and tried to break them down. Hildebrandt went on to practice as a mental health counselor for more than 13 years before her recent arrest on charges of aggravated child abuse. I spoke with American Fork Police Chief Cameron Paul this afternoon. He said they checked and they have no record of following through with those plans to send their report to DCFS. He said today he wishes the department had dug a little deeper into what the teen was telling officers at the time back in 2010. Mike and Deanie.